Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Oh, look how stable it is. And by tilting the phone, I can actually fly it. Man, this is amazingly stable. There you go, hovering. Man, this is like super duper. I don't know how many dupers I can add. It's really stable. And very easy to control. Straight into the grass. Oh, straight into a tree. There is not a single scratch. You won't believe it. It went straight 100 meters probably, and then lost signals, went into emergency landing into the river. For about 10 minutes, it's just floating in the river, and I'm walking by the shore following it. And then there was a fisherman who kindly threw his line and fished it out for me. Amazing. And check this out, it is still working actually. And there you go, video is also live. How awesome. And we can actually still fly it. Check this out, it's still flying. Oh man, what else do you want? How amazing it is. Superb. And I'm gonna do a roll, okay? There's a fart in the end as well. Oh, we are going to crash. Don't you simply love the TobyRich machines? They are built to last, man. Oh, I hit myself. The stability on this plane is amazing. It's amazingly stable. That you can actually have a lot of fun steering it around. You don't have to worry about flying it. Oh, look at that! Oh. Flying with the joystick is an absolute joy. See? That's what I'm talking. Gadget! They are built to last, these machines. Flying with those birds here. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.